Now, this illustration is dealing with a circuit that only have lights or a circuit that could have receptacles and luminaires lighting units. Now, notice in the NEC loop table 220.14J, we use 3 VA per square foot for dwelling units. 210.11A and B is the number permitted based upon a dwelling unit or based upon commercial and industrial locations. 220.14L says if we should have a lighting outlet and we did not know the wattage of the fixture that was going to be placed there, we would use 180 VA, but not for dwelling units. The 180 VA does not apply without electrical ordinance from the state, county, or city. It does limit the number of outlets on a circuit, 15 and 20 amps, say. Now, at the very top, we have a quick calc. But this quick calc we're going to look at is in accordance with table 220.14J, which is for dwelling units. Now, notice that the overcurrent device times 120 volt circuit divided by 3 VA from 220.14J and L. Now, notice a 20 amp overcurrent device by 120 volts divided by 3 VA is 800 square foot. And we could have as many receptacles and luminaire lighting units on a circuit in that square footage area. Now, notice in the panel board, we have a 20 amp branch circuit, 210.3, 210.19A1A. If those receptacles are general purpose, then it's 100%. Until you get to a certain VA rating. Now, the lighting units, they would also be at 100%. Because in a dwelling unit, the lighting is not considered a continuous load because you might not be using those lights all the time. See? And then 210.20 just says, hey, if you use a 20 amp circuit, protected by a 20 amp overcurrent device, number 12 wire. If it's a 15 amp circuit, number 14 wire, you naturally protect it by a 15 amp device. And then 220.14L summarizes the whole thing that we're reviewing here. But what we're calling out here, or I should say the figure 11-4A is calling out. In dwelling units, receptacles and lights can be on the same circuit. And in the 800 square foot that you see in the quick calc, as many as you wanted to put in that 800 square foot area is permissible. But as an electrician, remember that you could have nuisance tripping if the homeowner doesn't realize this. So a lot of times electricians will put all the lighting luminaires on a circuit and all the receptacles on a circuit. But this is a choice, not a requirement, in accordance with this figure 11-4A in NEC 210.11, A as in apple and B as in boy.